Happy Monday, everybody, and welcome back to the farm. Today, Dragon has been busy making a double batch of his homemade tomato basil marinara sauce. For the first time, not one, but two giant pots sitting on the stove, cooking at the same time, doubling the amount of sauce we're able to make. And just a week ago, Dragon fashioned this 5-gallon food grade bucket with a pour spout on it to make it a little bit easier for the jarring process, so that instead of having to use a ladle, all he has to do is come over, turn that little guy right there as you just saw, and the jars fill up a whole lot quicker. A lot less mess, a lot less waste, a lot more efficient way to get the 2025 jamming, jarring, saucing season underway. Happy Monday, Dragon.
How you doing?
Wonderful. How are you today?
I'm doing all right.
Just one doing all right? It's usually we get two of them.
I don't know if you have a video of when we made the first time.
First time what? Marinara?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Simon for Kevin. He's gonna find the video, and I believe we made it in the small pot that we just burned.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, would have been, because we didn't have these large sauce pots at that time.
So from, I don't know what it was, like 6 or 8.
Oh, jars at a time?
Yeah. I feel like 6.
Yeah, I don't think we didn't get a dozen. I don't think we got a whole. We didn't get a whole case.
This one makes about 20, close to 30, 27, 8
Jars.
jars. Yes.
And your jars are 32 ounce.
32 ounces.
So jars are here. Once they are filled, the next process is sealing them. They get a hot water bath for 20 minutes.
I want to put the lid first.
Yes. Dragon is telling me that I missed a step. We know we have to put a lid on it first before we do that. But part of the process is to give these guys a hot wash that helps to get the lids to seal.
And what else it does?
Cleans the jars also too.
No, we already clean the jars. Hopefully.
The outside, if there's any dribble.
No, inside what it is.
I don't know. I don't do quizzes. I'm not in school, so Dragon is gonna tell you guys.
It also kills any bacteria.
Oh, okay. This is why I'm behind the camera. So it also kills the bacteria. But these have been flying off the shelf early this season.
Flying like.
I told Dragon that these have been some of the best tasting marinaras he's made. This is a mild batch here. The hot batches have been selling well, and so those have already been moving quickly. And the last one of these, of the mild sauce, sold either today or yesterday. So people will be happy to know that more will be on the way and available for them starting tomorrow.
Kevin wants to stay up.
No, well, Kevin doesn't really want to stay up. The hot wash bath takes quite a long time because these jars are so big. So we'll get some of the jars ready for tomorrow and see how far we make it before our eyelids start to tell us we need to call it quits. Chaz. Chaz. Let's go. Chaz. 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 Let's go, Chazzy. Happy Thursday, everybody, and welcome to our first official day of butchering under our new processing tent. We have set up tables here today for the first time. Dragon mostly finished getting the millings done and spread and flattened enough for us to be able to use. Alexis is here with us today. I believe that Cindy is coming shortly. I think Sam too, possibly. But everything is in a spot of efficiency with our dispatch cones over there and a new little setup right next to the truck. From there, everything heads on over to the scalding tank, and from the scalding tank over to our chicken plucker, to the table for evisceration for us to work on. Have a couple of birds sitting here waiting on us to get started now. And then, of course, once they're done and everything is rinsed, they slide right on over here into the coolers and then off into the resting area overnight. So while we have some good daylight, while we're getting our momentum and our mojo going, we're going to go ahead and get to work. Happy Sunday, everybody.
Sunday.
It's Sunday.
Yeah.
We've made it beyond the end of the week once again.
Thank God.
And as you see, we are starting up several projects, as always, here on the farm. Unloading some stuff that Dragon brought in today. I had no idea even what it was for. I had to ask, just like you guys.
What'd you offer?
Apparently some more material for chicken tractors. Who knew? Dragon knew. Dragon bought it. Also, as you see, lots of jarring and jamming going on. Dragon, how much
Jamming.
peach jam do you have sitting in there right now?
I don't have enough fingers.
Doesn't have enough fingers. I don't have enough ink in my printer to print all those labels that he needs also too. But all that stuff is sitting inside waiting. So lots going on as always. Where one week ends and another begins, we have no idea. All we know is we're trying to take full advantage of all of the farm fresh items that we have right now so that we can stock our shelves for this season, also for the fall and into the winter time. Been very busy here this past weekend, especially. Lots of new faces as always with people traveling. Summertime is so much fun, as you keep hearing us say, by seeing lots of folks who have the time, are finding the time, or making the time to finally come and give us a visit. So if you've been one of those folks lately, we really appreciate you making the trip to spend a little time with us here at the farm. Dragon?
I mean, what else to say after all of that? No, it's another hot week. We enjoying the heat wave. So hiding from the heat wave inside the house and taking advantage of that and doing some canning. Kevin's dogs are all over.
Yes, the dogs are everywhere. Dragon has dog treats, so everybody.
I don't have any dog treats.
Dog treats right there.
But yeah, trying to take advantage of the hot days and work on the inside, canning and jamming. Brought in some banana peppers, jalapenos, and sweet peppers to do some pickling. Cheryl is coming down for the next couple of days. She's going to give us a hand with that too. So hoping to get some nice head start with pickling stuff for the season. So.
Looking forward to getting all that stuff done this week and having Cheryl spend a few days with us here on the farm as well.
You show them this beautiful sunset.
And we'll end with that beautiful sunset. I feel like I have dog hair all over me. But while we can catch that sunset, we'll go ahead and do our sign off. Plus, it is, I think, after 7 p.m. and this is going up today. So I need to finish getting this vlog done so that we can try to relax a little bit tonight before the busy start of our week. The relaxation is pending, so it has not loaded quite yet. But if you happen to be traveling through Virginia, coming down US 301 and driving through King George County, make sure you stop right here and see us at the farm. Everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you again real soon.
See you soon.